Hello friends, welcome to Plant Lover Micky. Today we came to Lalbagh Nursery, Bangalore. This nursery is the largest nursery in Bangalore. Timing of this nursery is 10 am to 5 pm. It is located to 50 meters walk distance from Lalbagh main gate. You will going to get here lots of variety of plants like indoor plants, outdoor plants, vegetable seeds, flower seeds, pesticides. Basically it is one-stop solution for your garden. This is an anthurium plant. You will find lot of colors in here. It is priced around 350 to 500. So like red color and pink, and you can see white color. So there is lot of variety. Here you will find lots of indoor plants, and it's really beautiful. Other plants and other plants, and you will find a lot of flower indoor plants as well. You will find lots of orchids variety also. It is mixed color, white color, so the price is around like 350 to 500. The flower is really bloom and it's really beautiful. Orchid is the beautiful flower plant. Now we are going to succulent section. So there is lot of succulent plant. The price starts from 150 around 600, depend upon the types of plant. There is some various colors succulent plants available. As well as you find some jet plant and snake plant also. This beautiful plant is 200 rupees. We are going towards bonsai section. You will find lot of bonsai collections here. Price is pretty high because it is the oldest plant. So you can see it's pretty big, and it's 6,000 rupees and 3,000 rupees. There is lot more collections of bonsai here. There is also a bonsai garden inside the Lalbagh Botanical Garden, so you can go and explore there. However, this is the largest one. It is like 15k. So we are going towards the rose section. There is a lot of variety of roses here, like red, white. So the price starting from 60 rupees to 200, 300, depend on the sizes and the color. The brinjal is pretty good. This is jasmine sections, I think starting from 30 rupees. Coming to the other sections, that is like indoor plants collections. You can see a lot of indoor plants collection starting from 150, depend upon the sizes. Palm section. So we came to outdoor plants collections. This is some mango plants is there. It's a rubber plant. This is Chinese palm. There is other palms tree as well. The Chinese palm is really beautiful one. This is spider plant sections. There is lot of plants, palm plants available in various sizes. The palm tree is really beautiful and biggest also. This plant is alocasia plant. See, various colors of alocasia is available here. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and those who don't subscribe my channel, please do like, share, subscribe my channel.